Are you an ELP student on an F1 visa? Are you looking to transfer your CVIS record to another school? If so, then this video is for you. I'm going to detail the transfer process in a step-by-step tutorial. Let's get started. If you are a sponsored student, the first step in the transfer process is to make sure that your sponsor approves your transfer. It is very important that the person who is paying for your program is aware of the institution you are planning to transfer to, and that they approve of your choice. Once you have obtained sponsor approval, the next step is to complete and submit the Transfer Out Request form. This form can be found on the Enrollment Office Canvas site. If you have trouble finding this form, please email elp@sas.upenn.edu. For Step 3, you must send your remaining documents to the Enrollment Office via email. These documents include your acceptance letter to your new school and your transfer-in form. Your acceptance letter should be in a PDF or JPEG format. You should be able to find this in your online portal for the new school you have been accepted to. The transfer-in form can be received in 3 different ways. The first way that it may be received is in a PDF format. This PDF format will require you to fill out the first top of the form. It is important that you fill out the form first before you send it to the enrollment office. The second way it may be received is through an e-form. This e-form will ask for your ELP International Student Advisor information. You can contact the enrollment office at elp@sas.upenn.edu for this information, and they will provide it for you. The third way it may be received is through an email. Sometimes the email will say, "This is the student's transfer-in form," and the enrollment office will be able to use that. Please send them a copy or screenshot of this email. Once they have received your transfer out form, your acceptance letter, and your transfer-in form, the enrollment office will send your transfer out request to ISSS. This can take about a week to be processed. Please remember that you have a 60-day grace period from your final date of study to transfer your record. Once you are out of your 60-day grace period, your record cannot be transferred. If you have any questions, please visit the enrollment office in room 110 or send them an email at elp@sas.upenn.edu.